Good day traders, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I'll quickly be sharing with you guys this strategy that I've back tested and is currently working for me. So I would like to share with you guys this strategy, how you can set it up and how you can make use of these strategies to be making money on a daily basis for yourself. If this is the first time you're coming across my YouTube channel, and by name is Trimizi. What I normally do on this YouTube channel is to share ideas on how to make money legitimately online. And if you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, ensure to click on the subscribe button right away and turn on the post notification bell so as to get notified anytime I drop a new video of this nature. And do well to click on my Telegram group link in the description box down below to join my Telegram group, where we normally discuss about arbitrage updates before I come on YouTube to make videos. And put this at the back of your mind: as you are joining my Telegram group, don't transact anything in the group, so as not to fall victim of scam of people who are trying to impersonate me, or people impersonating me trying to serve as an escort to transaction. I don't serve as an escort to any transaction in the group. If you want to buy or sell crypto, ensure you go to exchange platforms such as Binance, KuCoin, OKS and Co. So without wasting much of you guys' time, or without further ado, let's dive directly into today's video. What I'm about to share with you guys is called a crypto unlimited dollar arbitrage. So pay a very good attention. All what you need to do is to get a Binance verified account, like I've been sharing for a while now. If you've not been watching my video, ensure to watch some videos I'll be recommending at the right hand corner here on how you can register, verify, and some other ways you can even invest on Binance to make money on a daily basis for yourself. So now right away I'll be sharing with you guys how you can deposit on your Binance after depositing, and how you can set up these strategies for your daily profits. So guys, what you need to do after verifying your Binance account, the next thing for you to do now is to click on P2P trading. Once you click on P2P trading, you patiently wait for it to load. Then you change your currency. Your currency might be in USD, it might be in Euro, whatever country you are in. Ensure to change the currency from the world currency, which is USD, to your local currency. I'm currently in Nigeria, so I'll be changing mine to Nigerian Naira, so of which I've done that. But if you don't know how to change it, let me quickly show you guys how you can change it. Once you click on the right hand corner here, if yours is in USD or whatever currency it is, what you just need to do is to click on the right hand corner, search for your country currency. It is being abbreviated, like for Nigerian Naira it is in NGN, for United States dollar it is in USD, Kenyan shillings KES, and so on. Ghanaian cedis is in GHS. So mine is in NGN, so I'll be inputting NGN, and this is it. I'll select it right away. So guys, for it to get to this point, the next thing we'll be doing now is for us to buy a crypto. So we'll bind USDT with our Nigerian Naira. So what we need to do now is to click on filter. Take note of this: the capital you are using to trade this stuff determines your profits. If you are using 100,000 naira, your profit will be higher. If you are using 150,000 naira, whatever amount you are using, your profit will be higher compared to when you are using a less amount of money. Take note of that. So the next thing I'll be doing now, I would like to input 100,000 naira. All, that's bank transfer. The next thing I'll be doing, I'll be turning off merchant notification. I'll click on confirm. So after doing that, it will filter out those that are not merchant. As you can see, for the people that are not merchant, the current rate, the best rate so far is 747 naira per USDT. So the next thing I'll be doing now, I'll be checking the completion percentage and the number of trades this person has already carried out. So the first thing I will do now, So here is the completion rate. The completion rate is 100% for this person, and the number of trades he has carried out is 136 trades. So for this person, 100% and 13 trades. This person 96% and 3,347 trades. I prefer to go with this person, so I'll click on buy. The next thing for us to do now is to check the person's terms and condition. So only send money from bank account that carries your name. So this person doesn't want you to transfer from a different account that doesn't carry your name. So you have to transfer to this person from your personal bank account, and that's what Binance also supports. So after depositing, all what you need to do now, let me walk you guys straight to my screen and show you guys how to set up these strategies on your screen. Then once the conference is being met, you take trade without any exemption, without panicking, without any thought again. So guys, let me quickly walk you guys through the screen. So guys, for us to achieve this unlimited crypto dollar arbitrage, we're making use of TradingView.com. So be it on your phone or on your PC, just open your browser and type in TradingView.com. Once you type in TradingView.com, this is how it looks like. You'll be given an offer to upgrade your account. After you've signed up, you can sign up using your Google account. Although even if you don't have an upgraded account, you can still make use of this TradingView. So I've already registered, so I'll be walking you guys through my chart on how you can set up these indicators and configure them for your crypto unlimited dollar arbitrage. So now, this is how the charts look like, and for the sake of today's video, we're making use of BTC USD. So we are on the 1 hour time frame. Although this strategy is a scalping strategy that I personally make use of, although I don't scalp on 1 hour. The 1 hour only shows me the main trend. Sorry, it only shows me the current trend, while 15 minutes shows me the main trend, and the 5-minute time frame is for my scalping entries. So the next thing I will do now is to click on indicator metrics and strategies. Once you click on it, patiently wait for it to load, then you type in moving average. So you wait for it to load. As you're waiting for it to load, I don't know, maybe it's my network, but if you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, ensure to click on subscribe button right away and turn on the post notification bell so as to get notified anytime I drop a new video of this nature. And do well to give this video a thumbs up, because as you are doing that, you are also helping other people to reach this kind of useful content. So next thing you need to do now is to click on exponential moving average. This is the particular one I'll be making use of. Once you click on it, it will pop up on the screen as you can see it right here. The next thing you need to do now is to wipe off this moving average, then type in Wu Manchu. We're making use of Wu Manchu Cipher B plus divergence by Wu Manchu. So wait for it to load, and this is how the indicator look like. Wu Manchu Cipher B plus divergences by Wu Manchu 15808. Then click on it and wait for it to load on the screen. So next thing we need to do now is to configure these indicators. Let's start with the moving average. You click on it, then you click on settings. Once you click on settings, you change this length here to 200. What this EMA 200 helps us to do is that it shows us the current trend of the market. Anytime the market is above the 200 moving average, it shows that the market is in the uptrend, and anytime it's below the 200 moving average, it shows that it's in a downtrend. So let's quickly go ahead and configure the Wu Manchu Cipher B plus divergence. Then click on settings. Once you click on settings, we only need few things in this indicator, because this indicator, if you check it now, is kind of complex. So the next thing we need to do now, you leave this show wave trend, show buy dots, you remove this gold dots, you leave this sell dots, and you remove all other things. You untick all other things, you untick every other thing. you untick every other things. I think that's all for now. Then I'll click on OK. So I think it's now been simplified. It's now been simplified. So now the next thing we need to do now is to come down to our 15-minute time frame, as we have find out that we are on a uptrend. So now come down to the 15-minute time frame to check the trend. On the 15-minute time frame, as you guys can see, we are still on the uptrend. We are still on the uptrend. Then you come down to our entry point, which is 15-minute time frame. So you click on 15 minutes. So even if your account is not upgraded, you can still make use of these features. So next thing for you to do now, I want to show you guys some certain examples in the market and how you can take your entries. So as you guys can see, we are already having some good entries for us now to even take in the market, because the CYPHER plus divergence indicator is showing green dots already. The green dot indicates the buy signal, while the red dot indicates the sell signal. This is how it works. Anytime the market is above the 200 moving average, we tend to look for buys. That is, we buy low, then we sell high. We buy low, we sell high. We buy low, we sell high. Anytime the market is below the 200 moving average, that is, we sell high. That will be shorting the market. The shorting of the market is not for people that is not for spot traders. This one is for the futures traders and the forex traders. So let me show you guys some quick examples. As you guys can see, we have a breakthrough of the 200 moving average here. Then we're being given a signal right away. The signal was given here. This is the first signal here. The next thing you need to do now is to click on the buy. Once you click on the buy signal stuff there, then we'll come straight here. And this is where it gave us the signal. Then we'll put it here. We'll put it below the low, the recent low. This is 1.84%. Then we'll shift it to 1.84% too. So this is 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio. Then you shift it a little bit, you see that later in the future it came to eat our TP. It may take time, but it will surely eat your TP, and this can be done several times in a day. You can use this strategy for futures trading, you can use it for spot trading, and you can also use it for forex trading. So this is the benefit of these indicators that I'm sharing with you guys. So let me show you guys the downtrend. Let me show you guys an example of a downtrend. Let's go back to 15-minute time frame. We'll go back to 15-minute time frame. So as you can see here, we entered a little downtrend here. So once you just see that there's a breakthrough to the downside, then you patiently wait for volumetry to come to the upside here to give you a red signal. So it was at this point you received a red signal, but let's come down to 5-minute time frame where we'll be taking our entries. Let's come down to 5-minute time frame where we'll be taking our entries. Let me shift it to that place. I don't know why my stem is kind of slow this time around. Okay, this is where we add the breakthrough to the downside. Then we'll wait for a sell signal. This is where the sell signal is being given. So the next thing for you to do now is to put in, okay, this is the point, this is the exact point, then you put it there. Then where is the recent high? This is the recent high here. Although this is a recent high, but we still need to give it a breathing space. Let's give it at least 1.38%. 1.88%. then 1.38% also to the downside. Then you can shift it. As you can see, you hit the take profit at this point. So you can also do your back testing for this strategy. This is a strategy that I personally use for my scalping, and this strategy I was able to deposit $70 and move the $70 to $321 within 4 days. This was the strategy I used in flipping that account. So you can also make use of this strategy also to flip different accounts. And put it at the back of your mind, I'm not a financial advisor. You can also do your back testing. So let me quickly walk you guys back to Binance. Then I'll explain some key things you guys need to know. Then we'll call it a day. So guys, that's how the strategy basically works. So I didn't hide anything for you guys. That's how I normally use it, and I've used it to flip $70 to $321 in just 4 days. Yes, I did it. So you can also do better. So the best thing to do now, don't waste time on it. Try and backtest as possible. Just keep on backtesting. After you are okay with the backtesting, then you deposit into your Binance account or deposit into your broker's account. That is, you want to trade forex, and you start making use of this strategy to be making money from the market daily basis. So ensure to join my Telegram group where we normally discuss about arbitrage updates, and if there's anything you want to know more about unlimited opportunities of this nature, ensure to comment it down in the comment section, and subscribe to the YouTube channel as well. Turn on the post notification bell so as to get notified anytime I drop useful content of this nature. That'll be all for today's video. I love you all. Stay tuned.